You want me to just start the video now?
Yeah, you can. Turn music down.
Yes, sir.
Race mode. So does that have traction at all on race mode? Or
Yeah, it does.
Okay. I don't know how to put this shit in drive.
No.
Oh, okay. This thing sounds crazy. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Gimmie Dem Keys. Today, we're in a Mercedes AMG GTR. Now, you guys know I'm a big BMW fan, but I gotta admit, this is the only Mercedes I drive. And I'm driving it. So, tell us about this car. I don't really know much about it.
2018 AMG GTR. Very well spec'd. One of the few that come on carbon ceramic brakes. Recently dropped in an Eventuri intake system, Meisterschaft downpipes, and catback exhaust. Got it DME stage 2 tuned. Approximately 600 wheel horsepower.
Ooh. That's insane. A whole bunch of torque, right?
A lot of torque, yeah.
It's already warmed up a little bit. I'm gonna give it a little bit of juice right here.
Let's see you throw it down.
I don't know the area that well, so I'm trying to think of what a good spot is.
Right.
So half throttle. That thing is torquey. Wow. This thing sounds nuts.
You have a lot of confidence in the brakes too.
I don't know if the front GoPro's on. Let me turn that one on.
Careful right here.
Alright.
Check on this thing right here.
And snap it.
Oh, just hit the park button.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Another day at work for Black. There you go. Got that one working now.
Alright, we're in business now. Sorry, you guys know I'm usually more organized than this, but it was really out of nowhere, wasn't expected. But I'm not complaining. How long have you had this car? You haven't had it long, right? Just got it?
About a month.
About a
And then
month?
it went straight into the shop.
Really?
Yeah.
You still got the GT3?
Oh, I do.
Nice. Big angle.
Yeah, good angle.
And what exhaust is this?
Meisterschaft.
Meisterschaft.
Some
Gotcha.
German company. They do
Yeah.
pretty well.
I know, buddy Kevin Lamb. I don't know if you know him. He had one of those F80,
Oh, okay.
and it sounded insane. So, oh my god. Oh. All right, I'm gonna give it the beans right here.
Go ahead.
Oh my god. This thing is fast. Oh, I got a rush in my chest. I love that feeling.
okay first pull?
Yeah. This thing feels pretty insane.
It seemed to find traction when you need it.
Yeah, yeah. It's it definitely loses it, but it's not uncontrollable. So that's pretty good. I mean, if it was 100% off, I bet it go all over the place. I'm not doing that, but it's got a lot of torque, a lot of low end power, and it feels great. So you love the car so far?
I do. It feels a little heavy, but the power makes up for it.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I feel like it takes a little bit to get used to the long front end as well. Similar to
that is the first thing
Viper.
that is the first thing I noticed. I can't even see the front of the car. Jesus. Have you done any like heavy handling with it, like in a mountain or anything? How's it feel?
It handles differently from the GT3 RS, but still a quick car. It just drives differently.
Yeah. Pretty sick. Do you know how much it weighs?
It says 34 to 3,800 pounds online.
Wow.
But I'm not sure where mine sits.
Jesus. Take this back before I get in trouble.
You know where we are now?
I'm pretty good at like
we'll figure it out.
Yeah. Got my UPS driver experience. I've been down this road, so I just gotta go the opposite. So, but man, this thing rips.
Yeah, man. I feel like it was a good bang for the buck car at 150.
150. Yeah. And prices already went up, huh?
Yeah, it seems that way. Harrison was just looking it up, and he was saying it was 175 to 180.
Wow.
But you know, the car market these days is crazy.
And you got it a month ago, so in a month it already went up.
Yeah.
It's like a stock.
Yeah, exactly.
That's crazy. Do you plan on keeping it for a while?
For a little bit. I threw some money into it, so might as well get some enjoyment out of it.
Yeah. Addicting too.
Oh yeah, for sure. And we didn't even have to use this.
All right, last pull. Guys, well, I'm done doing pulls. I don't want to get in trouble, so I'm about to end this one. Sorry it wasn't planned, and but yeah, just gonna give you a raw drive on this one. Thanks for watching. Deuces. I'll see you in the next one. Appreciate it, Vinny.
Yes, sir.